Hey there, and welcome back. The previous video, I had given a basic introduction to my indie horror game I'm working on, codenamed Project Vacuum, in which you hunt down funny enemies in a stroller, which will be set in a horror environment in second half of the game. Now, for today's devlog, I have a few things planned. So here's the aim: complete the map, get rid of unwanted ideas, well, get some cinematic shots for the devlog, add a separate section for the child carrying stuff, and make a few new characters for the game. Let's get started. For the map, I began by laying out the corridors with the warehouse shelves, which were pretty laggy, I swear. Alongside that, I added a very few decorations around here and there. Now imagine yourself walking into a storage room and seeing this: a carpet which doesn't fit the overall vibe. So I changed it for a few rooms. The employee mini cafe also looked a bit off, so I did a few improvements there. Now I began work on removing two icons, which were for coding and chat, which were poorly planned, and I had no thought of making them considering I wished to finish the game. However, we still have the baby to take care of. I started off by designing a UI for baby management. This will include three subsections: one for sanitary, other for nutrition, and another one for appeasement, meaning taking care of the child, or he will make a mess. I also added status, and getting the tick mark and cross to be hidden or visible was confusing, as when I tried to another widget it did not work. However, to the master widget blueprint it did, so that's good. However, the progress bar was still missing, so I implemented it, fixed some bugs, and got it working. Yay. Now the animation characters part. I opened the character model in Blender, began working on an animation. Characters I have planned: a boxer, a tea drinker, and a gunman. I animated a gunman, imported boxer gloves, and had myself a boxer and a tea drinker. For this one, I imported a cup and a saucer and began animating, only to forget to keyframe the hand movement. The teacup floats, as I did not want to pair tea and saucer to the hand, as I feared it would break things more. Now, when I tried importing, it did not work. I guess that's a problem for another time. However, I still needed to get the main big bad of the game functioning. So in last few days, before writing the script, I got down to prototyping a basic enemy AI, and alongside that, I did compass navigation so that you can know your direction and will play a key part in the late game. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, remember to like and subscribe.